Good. Good. Time. Okay, welcome back. Grandmaster Andre Glenn, 360 Combat Systems. Now, what you just seen right now, my man Lee was getting in on it. He was showing you how we use our punches. We use our punches, our slashes, and our deep thrusts. That's what this is about. I use the shoulder and the overkill of the thrust. Looks like I'm utilizing the forearm, but I'm actually over-exaggerating that motion to feel the full thrust, okay? Now, it looks like this. I'm giving I use this one. So, my punch comes in. Anything comes into me, this is forward. Not like this. All right, we teach this way. So anything comes out, gotta get past this. Edward Scissorhand action, okay? So, I punch first, bang! My punch, slash, then thrust. Good. Punch, slash, thrust. Good. Don't matter about my feet. Punch, slash, thrust. Good. Punch, slash, thrust. Good. What that looks like against a person. Come here, Lee. Okay, Lee comes in with his slash or whatever you're gonna do. Right. Go again. So now he punches. Go again. See my punch? Go again. See I punch. You see when I punch, I'm right back into it. See his jawline? I knock his jawline off, and that's where the cut comes in at. Okay? Turn this way a little bit. Right there. Come in again. Punch. Once I punch, all this is getting cut. Okay? Again. Punch. All this is getting cut. This is hitting his jaw line. This is getting the cut. This is the thrust. He don't see that coming. Okay? That's across his shoulder. Okay? That will be all I get through. Okay? The other one, I go to the body. Go. Punch. Hit. Come forward. See how far my hand is? That's how far I'm going to be. Okay? Going through the spine. Again. 1, 2. If he can't see it, that's where slice come in at. Turn this way. Again. 1, 2. You see that on the face. Good. That action, or going down. This action. Or, again, 1, 2, this action. See, like, oh! Jeez. Scared you that time. So I have 3 things I'm looking at. Covering my body versus doing this. Then he has time to do something. I'm not gonna give him a free lunch, okay? So boom, punch this, slice this. Get here, slice, hit face, here, high step pace, going, okay? So that motion of 1, 1, 2, see that backhand, hammer fist? Boom, using the punya on the knife, boom, turn his face, hit, that's 1, boom, boom, 1, 2, hot potato, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Just depends, okay? Do it again on blade. So we got punch, hit, high, punch, hit, mid, punch, hit, low. Okay? That's how you use that. You know, one of my students hit me from Atlanta. It was like, he's like, GM, why you be moving so slow in the videos? You don't used to move that slow. I said, I'm doing that for the videos. But then when I come at 100%, I'm bringing the force to you. So we're doing this in slow motion so you guys can see what's out there and what's available, you know? You know? Seeing how we do this. We do it slow for a reason, okay? Just because you see somebody doing something slow does not mean it's ineffective. If you saw me doing this, you know, oh man, it's dangerous. But what happens if I just don't do this? And I see me doing the park and I'm doing this. Oh, he's not dangerous. He's just doing Tai Chi. Well, when you speed it up, put some body behind it, some hips and some ass behind it. Boom! Now you over-penetrate. Now that one time, you want to stop the threat, you're stopping them with one, boom, one stab, okay? Or that one cross. come across his body. You might get the bicep. Might get the inside of the wrist. Just depends. You know, come in there one more time. Come on in one time, Lee. Come in for a slash. Good, right. So if my hand don't get up here, right, go. Right, see, look, good. My hand still, go through. Good, but go through with the slash, hard slash. Right, see, he can still penetrate. Good, he can still penetrate. Right, he can still penetrate, go. So now I gotta what? I gotta move this thing. I can't even stand here. I gotta move this thing. If I hit Lee with the headbutt on the side of his head and his, right here in his temple area, boom, he's gonna be startled a little bit. I grab this knife like this with the grip. I don't know how, it's not rolling around my wrist, I grab it tight. So when I turn him this way, it turns his whole shoulder and elbow and everything else, okay? I'm not giving it to him, we can get past hands. Okay, let's rotate this around. Okay, now look where the blade is at. So I took the blade, I grabbed it tight, I turned it this direction. Just say he wants to grab the knife from here to here. He can, okay? He can switch hands and grab the knife and do something with it, okay? So when I grab tight, go ahead. Go put it back in his hand. Good. So when I grab tight, I hit him with this. This is high. That's where this comes in at. So I take his head offline, which takes that hand out of the action. I put this right on my rib cage, his elbow. I space out, okay? That's me expanding that elbow. Look at it. I can break it or I can just go down. Right, see? Yeah. Got his undivided attention. Yeah. Now this hand is right here. I can either bite it, or I can fold it down and say, open sesame.
Yeah.
You know? Now we can renegotiate. So when we moving slow, we doing this for purpose of us moving slow, but at any moment in time, we can do so much when we go fast. So imagine me getting hit going, boom, you know, going fast like that, okay? So the time of me takes me to get past my body, and I'm hollering my body out. I'm not doing this, cut myself. I'm going, hollering my body out. That's what gives me the headbutt, okay? That's what gives me the headbutt. That's what takes this hand out the body. Because he might want to punch me. But once I get here, boom, that's where the headbutt comes in at. That's where the hand comes up. See that hand is out? I can do what? I can come here and then fold it this way. And then rip. But remember, I'm going to go forward. So if I'm going to do what? Rip. I'm going to push his body into this. So I go here, I go and rip. Push, and pull. Then I turn it over. And then I go push and pull. Now he's in a real hurt now because he's bleeding out. But that's why you see me going slow, and I'm doing it so I can make it understood. Overstanding, not an understanding. So you can break it down, rewind it. But if you want to learn it, you got to come see me so I can give it to you piece by piece and break it down on how to make it work for you. Grandmaster Glenn, peace, love, and happiness. Deuce.